Welcome to another video of Microbiology and Immunology Unit 4, first video, Immunology. 1. Immunity. Immunity refers to the body's ability to resist or eliminate potentially harmful foreign materials or abnormal cells. Types of immunity. Innate immunity, natural or nonspecific present from birth, provides immediate but general protection. Acquired immunity, adaptive or specific, develops after exposure to specific antigens, provides long-term protection and memory. 2. Antigen/hapten. Antigen, a substance, usually protein or polysaccharide, that is recognized as foreign by the immune system and stimulates an immune response. Examples: bacteria, viruses, toxins. Hapten, a small molecule that cannot provoke an immune response by itself, but can when attached to a larger carrier protein. It then behaves like a full antigen. 3. Antibody. Also known as immunoglobulin, Ig. A Y-shaped protein produced by B cells, plasma cells, in response to an antigen. Specifically binds to the antigen to neutralize or help eliminate it. Types: IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE, IgD. 4. Innate and acquired defense mechanisms. Innate defense mechanism, first line and second line of defense. Physical barriers, skin, mucous membranes. Chemical barriers, stomach acid, lysozyme in saliva/tears. Cellular defenses, phagocytic cells like neutrophils and macrophages. Inflammation, fever, natural killer, NK, cells, complement system. Acquired defense mechanism, third line of defense. Humoral immunity, B cells produce antibodies to neutralize antigens. Cell-mediated immunity, T cells, helper T cells, cytotoxic T cells, attack infected or abnormal cells. Has memory, allowing faster and stronger responses upon re-exposure to the same antigen. 5. Classification of antigen-antibody reactions. Antigen-antibody reactions can be classified based on their mechanism and outcome. Type of reaction description. Precipitation: soluble antigen and antibody in soluble complex forms, visible precipitate. Agglutination: particulate antigen, e.g., RBCs, bacteria, plus antibody clumping/agglutination. Complement fixation: antigen-antibody complex activates complement cell lysis or inflammation. Neutralization: antibody blocks pathogen/toxin from binding to host cells. Opsonization: antibodies coat antigen-enhanced phagocytosis by macrophages. ELISA/immunoassays: antigen-antibody binding used for detection, enzyme-linked. Immunofluorescence/immunoblot: antigen-antibody reactions tagged with fluorescent or colorimetric markers. MCQs. 1. Which of the following provides the first line of defense in the immune system? A. T cells. B. B cells. C. Skin. D. Antibodies. Answer C. 2. Which of the following is not a feature of innate immunity? A. Immediate response. B. Specificity. C. No memory. D. Present from birth. Answer B. 3. Which antibody is the most abundant in the blood? A. IgA. B. IgM. C. IgE. D. IgG. Answer D. IgG. 4. Which cells are responsible for producing antibodies? A. T cells. B. Macrophages. C. B lymphocytes, plasma cells. D. Neutrophils. Answer C. 5. Which of the following is a hapten? A. Large protein. B. Lipid molecule. C. Small molecule that becomes antigenic when attached to a carrier. D. Polysaccharide. 6c. Which immunoglobulin is the first to appear in a primary immune response? A. IgA. B. IgG. C. IgM. D. IgE. Answer C. IgM. 7. T lymphocytes mature in the A. Bone marrow. B. Liver. C. Spleen. D. Thymus. Answer D. 8 antibodies belong to which class of biomolecules? A. Carbohydrates. B. Lipids. C. Proteins. D. Nucleic acids. Answer C. 9. Which of the following reactions involves clumping of cells or particles? A. Precipitation. B. Agglutination. C. Neutralization. D. Complement fixation. Answer B. 10. The antibody mainly involved in allergic reactions is A. IgA. B. IgG. C. IgE. D. IgM. Answer C. IgE. 11. Which of the following is a specific defense mechanism? A. Phagocytosis. B. Inflammation. C. Antibody production. D. Fever. Answer C. 12. Complement system is part of A. Adaptive immunity. B. Innate immunity. C. Both adaptive and innate. D. Neither. Answer C. 13. Which antibody is mainly found in secretions like saliva, tears, and breast milk? A. IgA. B. IgM. C. IgD. D. IgE. Answer A. IgA. 14. Antigen binding site of an antibody is found in which region? A. Constant region. B. Variable region. C. FC region. D. Hinge region. Answer B. 15. Which antigen-antibody reaction is used in blood grouping tests? A. Precipitation. B. ELISA. C. Agglutination. D. Neutralization. Answer C. 16. Cell-mediated immunity is primarily carried out by A. B cells. B. Plasma cells. C. T cells. D. NK cells. Answer C. T cells. 17. Vaccination is an example of A. Passive natural immunity. B. Passive artificial immunity. C. Active natural immunity. D. Active artificial immunity. Answer D. 18. Which immunoglobulin exists as a pentamer? A. IgG. B. IgA. C. IgM. D. IgE. Answer C. IgM. 19. Which of the following is true about acquired immunity? A. Does not have memory. B. Present from birth. C. Is nonspecific. D. Develops after exposure to an antigen. Answer D. 20. Which immune cells kill virus-infected cells? A. Helper T cells. B. Cytotoxic T cells. C. B cells. D. Basophils. Answer B. For more videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update. Also like, share and comment with your friends.